Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope all of you are fine at homes. Today you will learn the vowel O. You already know the vowels, and the vowel O sound is O. O. Now let us learn some words that have O sound. Look at there. It's a ox. It's an ox. 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 Ox has a sound. So let's spell with me. Ox. 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 You also spell with me. Ox. Ox. Have you ever seen the ox in the zoo? The ox is a big and dangerous animal. Ox बहुत बड़ा और खतरनाक होता है. Now let us see, this is a doll. What is this? It is a doll. 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 Doll has a sound in the middle. So let's spell doll with phonics. D-A-L. Doll. D-A-L. Doll. D-A-L. Doll. Do you play with the dolls? If you are a girl, then you play with dolls. आप भी dolls के साथ खेलती हो? Oh, look at there. This is a pot. What is this? It is a pot. 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 Pot has a sound in the middle. So let's spell with me with phonics. Pot. 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 You know what is a pot? We grow plants in the pot. हम पॉट में पौधों को उगाते हैं. Very good. Now let's see, what is this? It is a frog. What is this? It is a frog. 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 Frog also has a sound. So spell with me with the phonics. Frog. 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 Have you ever seen a frog? Frog hops on the land. Frog hops in the water. Frog पानी में फुदकता है और ज़मीन पे भी फुदकता है, अगर आपने कभी देखा हो. Okay, very good. Very nice. Oh, look at there. What is this? It is a yo-yo. 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 Yo-yo has a sound. Spell yo-yo with phonics. Y-a-y-a-y-a. 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 Do you play with the yo-yo? Yo-yo is a kind of toy with that the children play. Yo-yo एक टॉय होता है जिसके साथ बच्चे खेलते हैं और मोस्टली इसके साथ बॉयज़ खेलते हैं. That's good. Now let's see, what is this? It is a clock. 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 Clock also has a sound. If you spell clock with the phonics, so let's spell clock. 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 You also repeat with me. Clock. Clock. What is a clock? Clock tells us time. Clock हमें time बताता है. Excellent. Now let us see, what is this? It is a cot. What is a cot? Cot is a baby bed. Cot. 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 Cot also has o sound in the middle. Let's spell with phonics. K-at, cot. K-at, cot. What is a cot? Cot is a baby bed. Cot बच्चे का बेड होता है. Okay, let's see the next one. Oh, you can see the spots on the shirt of the girl. Spots. 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 Spot. The word spot has a sound in the middle. So let's spell spots with the phonics. You also spell with me. Spots. 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 What are spots? गंदगी के निशान शर्ट पे हैं, उसको स्पॉट्स कहते हैं. Now let's see, this is a rock. What is this? It is a rock. 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 Rock also has a sound. Spell it with the phonics. Rock. 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 It's your turn to spell with the phonics. Rock. Now what is the rock? Rock is a big stone. Rock एक बड़ा सा पत्थर होता है. Let's see what is the next. Oh, this is a shop. This is a shop. What is this? This is a shop. Shop has a sound in the middle. So let's spell shop with phonics. You also spell with me. Shop. 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 It's a shop. You know what is a shop? Shop is a place where we go to buy the things, like the pet shop, grocery shop. शॉप ऐसी जगह होती है जहाँ से हम ज़रूरत की चीज़ें ख़रीदते हैं. वेल डन. अल्लाह हाफिज़.